Amitabh Bachchan, Irfan Khan, Shujit Sarkar and others graced the launch of the DVD of their much-loved movie Piku at a bookstore in Mumbai. Take a look.
Really happy because such a overwhelming response that we have got for Piku, and as Vivek said, it's really a special film, and working with some of the three of the top actors from our industry, and I'd like to thank Juhi for writing such a beautiful script, Ronnie and all the team, and I hope this becomes this DVD is also as special as the film was. It's just not, you don't just keep it on the shelf, keep watching it, because there are a lot of things I think that has gone into this film, and I think this film is also a lesson for me as a director and for my writer Juhi, for both of us. So I hope you keep on enjoying as long this film is there on your shelf.
Really thankful that I was part of this film, this movie. It is great, given a lot of pleasure. It was blessed from the beginning, and in these times when the life of any movie is getting shorter and shorter, I think it's a great privilege for me to bring it again onto DVD. And there are few films which you want to promote from your heart. You feel like you don't want to avoid promoting. These are the films. This is the film which I was especially connected from the beginning, and I had a great vibes of this film, and I think this film has given immense pleasure and happiness.
धन्यवाद देना चाहिए इस देश की जनता को, जितने भी दर्शक थे, क्योंकि इतने वर्षों के बाद काम करने के बाद कहीं ना कहीं अब लगता है कि हर दशक में दर्शक जो है वो बदलता रहता है, उसकी चाह, उसकी लगन, उसके देखने का अंदाज़, वो सब बदलता रहता है। और हम सब अपने आप को बहुत भाग्यशाली समझते हैं कि जब हमारी फिल्म रिलीज़ हुई तो दर्शकों का दिमाग, उनकी अकल, उनके देखने की जो चाह थी वो बदल गई, और उन्होंने पीकू को बहुत ऊंचाई तक पहुंचा दिया। उन सबको मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं।
You will have some quite interesting deleted scenes, some of the that we unfortunately could not get into the main film, and also you will have some really fun and beautiful making of the film, which are extra in the DVD. But the most important is, I think a lot of people after seeing the film have told me that film खत्म नहीं होना चाहिए था, चलते रहना चाहिए था। तो इसीलिए we have added a lot of scenes which were cut and deleted, which will be there as a bonus in the DVD.
सुजीत सर, इतना बड़ा मौका है DVD लॉन्च का, दीपिका क्यों नहीं आई यहाँ पर?
She's really busy. She's out of the country, I think, and she's shooting. So the dates could not be matched, and this date was decided already. So that's why she could not be. But she's anyway there. She's quite excited about the DVD.
बच्चन सर, आपकी और दीपिका की जोड़ी बहुत ही पसंद की गई है एज अ फादर डॉटर। तो आपसे जानना चाहते हैं कि अगर आपको कोई स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है जहाँ पे आपको दीपिका के साथ फिर से काम करना पड़े, क्या आप करेंगे?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं? आप लिख रहे हैं क्या? लिख रहे हो तो बोलिएगा, मैं काम करूँगा।
I just wanted to know, is there one lesson that you learned from this movie that you would love to go back and tell yourself when you were growing up?
पेट साफ रहना चाहिए।
बच्चन जी, जैसे पीकू पे आप रोड ट्रिप पे जाते हैं, वैसे ही अभिषेक की फिल्म आई है जिसपे वो भी रोड ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं, ऑल इज वेल। क्या आपने ट्रेलर देखा? और आपको बता दो, ऋषि कपूर ने अभिषेक को श्रवण कुमार कहा मॉडल, तो आपका क्या कहना है इस पर?
ये फिल्म पीकू की बात है, वो जब उसके लिए बात होगी तब आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे। हम तो होंगे नहीं वहाँ, हमारे सुपुत्र होंगे वहाँ, उनसे आप पूछिएगा।
क्या आपने ट्रेलर देखा बच्चन जी? ट्रेलर देखा होगा ना, लेकिन आपने ऑल इज वेल।
लेकिन ये अब पीकू की प्रमोशन की बात हो रही है।